welcome to Via Arn, and this is your first look at the S24 Ultra's brand new color, Titanium Violet. Samsung released a titanium violet version of the S24 Ultra. The first question I had was, how would this color look in real life? Would it be too flashy for daily use, especially in formal environments? And how violet is it actually? That's exactly what this video will go through. I'll be showing you the phone under different lighting conditions and even compare it to other known purple phones, just for you to understand exactly how this color looks. So, without further ado, let's begin. Now this is the phone under sunlight. As you can see, very deep violet, almost purple, and obviously the titanium on the sides shines as well. This is the best lighting scenario for you to actually truly experience the color that Samsung has made. And in contrast, under no sunlight, but still outside, the color looks much darker. As you can see in these shots, the purple almost turns into black or even dark blue. The color is completely blown when you put it under warm white lights indoors, almost like a pale violet mixed with white. Doesn't look amazing, but that's how it looks. Or maybe if the light isn't directly shining onto it, then you can see the purple shine through, and it looks pretty good. And Cool White paints the phone almost blue, showing how dark and deep this violet actually is, that it changes so much under cooler or darker lighting conditions. It is also very subtle if you think of it, because the color is not very prominent under most conditions. And when compared to two known purple phones, the 14 Plus and the 14 Pro Max, the S24 Ultra is so deep and dark that it even beats the deep purple of the 14 Pro Max. And the 14 Plus's purple looks more violet than the S24 Ultra. In the end, this color is not very flashy, and I would say it will work great as your daily driver. In most lighting situations, the color appears to be having a black or blue tone rather than violet. Yet in good conditions, where the light is bright and crisp, violet shines wonderfully. And that's it. I hope this video aids your decisions if you're looking to purchase this version of the S24 Ultra. And let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.